Good afternoon po. Ngayon po ay October 20, 2025 Monday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result. Ngayong October 20, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas ang para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Monday, October 20, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 20, 2025 Monday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for Monday, October 20, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of October 20, 2025 Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.